And now what we'll see, what is because of if you don't do earthing properly, you will get shock. What is an electrical shock? So electrical shock is going to be the reaction of when electrical current is going to pass through your body. So this can cause severe damage to your body. So we will see what sort of current will cause what type of damage. We are going to use AC supply. So 50 hertz current, we are going to see the RMS value. So 1 milliamps means there is no sensation. So you will not have any effect because of 0 to 1 milliamps. When you have 0 to 3 milliamps flowing, mildly you will feel that something is, you will feel the current flow. உடம்புல கிருன்னு போற மாதிரி இருக்கும். That is mild sensation. So 3 to 5 milliamps means pain. You will start feeling the pain because of current flowing in your body. உங்களால அந்த பெயினை வந்து withstand பண்ண முடியாது. 5 to 10 milliamperes painful shock. Shock means moment you touch, you feel that the current and immediately take your hand. That moment you will have a shock. Okay, it's a painful shock. 10 to 15 milliamperes local muscle contraction. Contraction na சதை பிடிச்சுக்கும் அப்படியே. So you will have a twist in the muscle because of the shock, and it will get relaxed only after a longer amount of time. Okay, and 30 to 50 milliamperes breathing becomes difficult, may cause unconsciousness. 50 to 100 milliamperes fibrillation of heart. Fibrillation na heart வந்து பாசிபிளா ஹார்ட்டோட ரிதம் வந்து அஃபெக்ட் ஆக சான்ஸ் இருக்கு. Finally 100 to 200 milliamps ventricular fibrillation, heart completely lock ஆயிடும் அப்படியே. So you will lead to ultimate death. So the amount of current which is going to flow will determine the effect on the human body. So if you have proper earthing, இதை பத்திலாம் நீங்க worry பண்ண வேண்டிய அவசியமே இல்லை. But you have to be very very careful in how much amount of current is flowing into your body. So earth 0 ohms கிறதுனால when you touch something, it is not like no current will flow inside you. Earth வழியா போற current maximum போகும், but some current will be entering your human body also. So you should be aware of how much current will cause what sensation in your human body. So that should be very clear to you. For that only this table is given. And if you give an electrical shock, what are the first aid you will give? So let go of the electric source as soon as you don't keep touching the point where you got shocked. Immediately take your hand or the part of the body which you is touching the source as soon as possible. So if you can call emergency, in US they call 911 is for emergency. The 911 is for emergency, and here you can ask for any neighbor to come and help you. The shock is minor means see a doctor if you don't have any symptoms. If you don't have any symptoms means nothing is abnormal. If you have some internal injuries means it is very hard to detect the first stage. So in due course of time, it will be slowly showing up in your body. Okay, you can cover any burn with a sterile gauze. So don't use adhesive or bandages or something might stick to the burn. So when you use a sticky covering around the burn, that will create a lot of irritation to you. So I'll use a sterile gauze to cover your burn, so which will not affect your uh, part to become infected. If someone else has been shocked, it means don't go and touch him immediately, because you both will be in series. So whatever current is flowing through that person will enter you also. So you will also be in touch with the person, means the same current will flow through you. Turn off the electricity immediately if you find that somebody has got a shock, and always stay 20 feet away from him if you are shocked by high voltage power line. If you feel you are near high voltage, your house is near high voltage power line, means always ensure that the minimum distance is going to be 20 feet away from it, so that you will not feel any effect of shock.